Candida is a type of yeast that naturally resides in the human body, but when its growth becomes excessive, it can lead to infections like thrush or candidiasis. Here are some general tips that may help support a balanced gut flora and reduce Candida overgrowth. 1. Anti-Candida diet. Consider a diet that limits or eliminates refined sugars, processed foods, and high-carbohydrate foods, as these can contribute to Candida growth. Instead, focus on eating whole, nutrient-dense foods, including vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and low-sugar fruits. 2. Probiotics. These are beneficial bacteria that can help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora. You can find probiotics in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha, or take probiotic supplements. 3. Garlic. Garlic contains compounds that have antifungal properties. Adding fresh garlic to your meals may help inhibit Candida growth. 4. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains caprylic acid, which has antifungal properties. Some people find that including coconut oil in their diet can be helpful. 5. Essential oils. Certain essential oils, such as tea tree oil and oregano oil, have antifungal properties. However, they should be used with caution and only as directed, as they can be potent and may cause irritation if not properly diluted. 6. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system and contribute to Candida overgrowth. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine, such as meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. 7. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help flush toxins from your body and support overall health, including gut health. 8. Avoid antibiotics. When possible, antibiotics can disrupt the balance of gut flora, potentially leading to Candida overgrowth. If you need to take antibiotics, discuss with your healthcare provider about taking probiotics simultaneously. The symptoms of Candida overgrowth can vary depending on the affected area, but here are some common symptoms associated with candidiasis. 1. Oral thrush, white, creamy, or yellowish patches on the tongue, inner cheeks, roof of the mouth, and throat. It can be painful and may cause difficulty in swallowing. 2. Vaginal yeast infection, itching, burning, and irritation in the vaginal area, along with abnormal vaginal discharge, which is often white and cottage cheese-like. 3. Digestive issues. Candida overgrowth in the gastrointestinal tract can lead to symptoms like bloating, gas, diarrhea, constipation, and abdominal pain. 4. Skin and nail infections. Candida can cause skin infections in warm and moist areas of the body, leading to red, itchy, and inflamed skin, as well as fungal nail infections. 5. Fatigue and weakness. Some people with Candida overgrowth may experience fatigue, lack of energy, and weakness. 6. Brain fog, difficulty concentrating, poor memory, and mental cloudiness are sometimes associated with Candida overgrowth. 7. Recurrent urinary tract infections, UTIs. Candida can sometimes cause recurrent UTIs, particularly in individuals with diabetes or compromised immune systems. 8. Joint and muscle pain. Candida-related inflammation may lead to joint and muscle pain in some individuals. 9. Sugar cravings. Candida feeds on sugar, so those with an overgrowth may experience intense cravings for sugary foods and carbohydrates. Remember, Candida overgrowth can be a symptom of an underlying health issue. If you suspect you have candidiasis or are experiencing persistent symptoms, it's important to seek guidance from a qualified healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. They can recommend the most appropriate and effective treatments for your specific situation.